This is my Audi A3, and if you read the title, we are going to be straight piping the car. If you've watched my previous video on installing the new downpipe, you would have seen I messed it up. This was down to aftermarket parts not fitting other aftermarket parts, so we took it to Powerflow Exhausts in Columpton and they got it sorted for us. We've been to the fabrication shop and we've got it sorted, and this is what it sounds like. So there is some pros and there is some cons to installing this new exhaust. Some of the pros are in first, second, third, fourth. Sounds like an absolute race car. And as well as that, the whole system is breathing a hell of a lot better, which means as soon as the car is tuned, we can be looking at about 5 to 10 horsepower gains, maybe even more, but we'll have to wait and see. Inside the cabin, as you would have heard in some of the clips, it is quite drivable, and the drivability of having a downpipe on is tolerable. However, as soon as you open the windows, everything breaks loose and it is a proper head turner. We will be getting it tuned in a future video, as I've got some big plans for this car and this channel. Overall, I think this is a must-have modification if you have an Audi A3 8P. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are thinking of doing this to your Audi or your car. And the reason that I'm doing this modification is to allow more air to flow out of the system faster, to make the car louder, to have a more defined exhaust note and tone, and because the exhaust at the back end looks absolutely insane. So I suppose the big question is, would I do it again? And the answer is 100% yes. The car sounds sick, I couldn't be happier. There is a catalytic converter code on the dashboard which brings up an engine light, but all that means is until I get it tuned and I get that engine light coded out, the car is going to overfuel a little bit. So just be prepared. If you're doing this yourself, the car will use more fuel and your MPG will not be as good as when you first had the original downpipe in. So pretty much what has been done is I installed the downpipe in my previous video. Click up there to go and watch that now. And I took it to Powerflow Exhausts in Columpton and they put the rear section on, as the original rear section didn't actually fit. I think in total it came to about £400, and in my eyes that was well worth it. So if you guys are thinking of getting an exhaust fabricated by Powerflow, then they get 5 stars from me. Did a brilliant job, got it done in the nick of time when I needed the car as we were going on holiday. So big shout out to those guys down at Powerflow. Of course, once again, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what content you guys want to see and what you're doing to your cars at the moment. But for now, enjoy some point of view clips of me driving. I've been trying out some different angles recently, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. So make sure you stay tuned and lock in for that. Turn on notifications so you get notified when I upload.